Hello everyone, Randoms on my mind, and I am back with a new video. This time I am going to be unboxing the CHAdeMO charging adapter, which is sold by Tesla. This was purchased directly from Tesla, and pre-tax it was $450. So is it worth it? Is it a good buy? And I'll let you be the judge. But if this video is interesting, please like it and subscribe to my channel, because I will be posting more videos about the Model 3 refresh ownership. So here is the retail box. It says on the side CHAdeMO charging adapter. On the bottom you see Tesla written twice, and this part is the female side of the CHAdeMO adapter. Then flipping it to the front, you see it's labeled in big letters Tesla. The shipping label goes there, but they actually put it on this side for some reason. And then right there, that part plugs into the Tesla vehicle. There's some kind of label here, not sure what that is. And let's see. So I covered up the shipping label, but I'll let you see that it is sent from Parts Distribution Center, Lathrop in California. So I guess that's where Tesla has their parts. And then there's a QR code here. Then moving to the rear, I'll flip it over. So it's just labeled Tesla like that. And going to the other side, one CHAdeMO adapter, Tesla logo, designed in California. And finally the underside. Oh, I'm sorry, I already showed the underside. This side says CHAdeMO charging adapter and has a graphic of the full charger. So this box is actually pretty big. I have my measuring tape right here in feet, or measures in feet. Let's push this back a little bit. And if I measure it, comes out to 28 1/4 inches long and a little under 7 inches wide. And how about this way? It is about 5 inches that way. From what I've seen in video reviews, it looks like a pretty big adapter, which makes sense as to why this box is so big. So I'm gonna open it for all of you, and I will show what the inside contains. This tape over here is mine. I have put it on to cover the shipping label, so I'll just cut this off like so. And then spin this around. Then that way, and then I will cut the Tesla tape. There's one side, or one tape, and here's the second tape. Alright, so flip it back down, push it to the rear a little bit, and let's see what is inside. Looks like some padding and cardboard. Sorry, there's a plane flying overhead, so I hope you can still hear. Okay, so I'll fold back the cover. So after I take out this foam, First thing we see is instructions on how to use the adapter. Put that on the side, and I'll take a. I have to flip this up, but underneath, again, this bad boy. There is the charger. It's a heavy one. And there's like some kind of clay. That's, I guess, just use as padding. But here's the adapter. Just take it out of the plastic bag first to see everything. All right. So here we go. Tesla charger, the CHAdeMO charging adapter. Here's the, oh man, this is really heavy. Here's the part that plugs into the Tesla vehicle. You see Tesla labeled, and then there's a, I think this is the button to open the charging port. And then here's the stem part. It is flexible. See, like that. And then this part is a handle, and it plugs into the CHAdeMO charging port, or the charging cable, excuse me. Oh, and as a nice bonus, you can see right here, the Tesla logo is right there, as well as on the opposite side too. Tesla and the Tesla logo. This thing is heavy. I wonder how much it, or how long it is. Let's see, I'll put it back inside the frame. There we go. This thing measures at about 26.5 inches. A little over 26.5 inches, like 26 and 3/4 inches. So it is a fairly large product. What I'm curious to know is, does this fit in that, at least for the Model 3, there's that underside that is in the rear trunk. You know, you lift up that door thing and then there's more storage underneath. I wonder if this fits. That'd be interesting to try. So now I'll be talking about why I got the CHAdeMO adapter from Tesla. This is a map of Oahu, which is the island that I am from, and this website that I'm using is plugshare.com, which is it's a website and an app for phones that has information about electric vehicle charging, like what the locations are, what's still open, what's broken, what compatible plugs each charger uses. Very good information. So I explained this in a previous video, but in Hawaii there aren't any superchargers from Tesla. And by the way, I'll link that video up here as well as in the description. But yeah, throughout the whole state of Hawaii there aren't any superchargers. So if I zoom out and click supercharger, you'll see nothing shows up. There are destination chargers from Tesla. So if I click this Tesla icon, you'll see the locations pop up on this map. And I just click J1772, unclick Tesla and supercharger. So there's a lot of chargers that use this J1772 standard. And on Oahu, yeah, there's quite a number of them throughout the state, or excuse me, throughout the island. The only thing with these chargers is that they're really slow charging. If I were to like stay at a hotel, then yeah, this would be great because I could charge the car overnight, or like going to the store, it is really slow charging usually with these chargers. However, if I unselect that Then I select CHAdeMO. For Oahu, you'll see there's a lot less locations, but all of these locations with the orange icons are DC fast charging locations, meaning they are much faster to charge the car than the locations that utilize the J1772 standard. So I really want to charge the car as quick as I can. If I was by myself, then to me it really wouldn't matter, but because I have a family, I wouldn't want my wife and my son to just be sitting around doing nothing because we cannot charge quickly at the level 2 chargers. But at least with these DC charging stations, which by the way are owned by Hawaiian Electric, which is the power utility company in Hawaii. Excuse me. At least at these locations, it would take a lot less time to charge the car. Of course, it'd be more expensive, but I think compared to putting gas, I would still pay less. So although that CHAdeMO adapter was rather pricey at $450, actually with tax it came out to $470-ish. So even though it was pricey, I think in the long run, I will see the savings, at least compared to putting gas. So there's fast charging throughout the island, and where I live down here at Kapolei, there are 2 stations. One is currently in operation and one is set up, but it's not working at the moment. But I can at least charge here using that Tesla CHAdeMO adapter. So I'm looking forward to trying that out, and of course I'll be making a video about my experience. So if you thought this video was useful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And again, this website is PlugShare. Very useful information is provided in the website in regards to electric charging. And I will link this website in the description. Also, I have a link to my second channel, which I use to talk about Hawaii life. So Hawaiian language, Hawaiian culture, things to do in Hawaii. And if that interests you, then please check it out. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video where I talk about charging using the CHAdeMO adapter. Bye.